In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline or background to captions in Clipchamp. This simple yet effective technique will enhance your videos by making your captions stand out, ensuring that your message is clear and eye-catching for your audience. First, let's begin by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Clipchamp and hit Enter. Once the website appears in your search results, go ahead and click on it to open up the Clipchamp platform. If you haven't used Clipchamp before, it's an online video editor that's quite user-friendly and doesn't require any downloads, making it accessible to everyone. Once you're on the Clipchamp homepage, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If not, you may need to sign up by following the on-screen instructions, which usually involves entering your email and creating a password. Logging in will bring you to your dashboard, where you can start creating and editing videos. Now, let's create a new video. On the dashboard, look for an option that allows you to start a new project or video. This might be a button labeled Create a Video or something similar. Clicking it will open a new project where you can start importing video clips and adding captions. With your new project open, click on your captions. You can select them directly from the video preview or find them on the timeline at the bottom of the editor. Selecting the captions will allow you to edit them further and make the necessary visual adjustments. After selecting your captions, turn your attention to the right side of the editor. You will notice a property panel appears. This panel is your toolbox for customizing different elements of your video and captions. Within this property panel, find and click on the Text tab. This tab will provide you with various options related to your captions, including formatting and style adjustments. Now, look for the background color option within the Text tab. Selecting this option allows you to add a solid color behind your captions, which helps them stand out against the video backdrop. This feature is particularly useful if your video contains scenes with varied brightness or complex imagery, as it ensures that your text remains readable. Once you've selected the background color option, you have the flexibility to adjust not only the color, but other characteristics, such as the opacity or size of the background. You can experiment with different colors to see which suits your video best or aligns with your brand's identity. Ensure the background enhances the text without overwhelming it, maintaining a professional and polished look. And that's it for adding an outline or background to your captions in Clipchamp. With just a few easy steps, you can elevate the presentation of your video text, ensuring your content is engaging and accessible to all viewers. Give it a try and watch how it transforms the visual impact of your videos.